Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Have you ever shared your Wi-Fi password with someone? Maybe a friend, a guest, or even your neighbor. And then days go by, and your internet starts slowing down, and you're like, wait a minute, who all is still connected to my Wi-Fi? Yeah, we've all been there. That's when you realize, okay, it's time to change the password or remove their access. Not because you don't trust them, but just to keep things clean and under control. Well, your website works kind of the same way. When you create an FTP user in cPanel, you're basically giving someone access to your website's files, kind of like handing over the Wi-Fi password. But once they're done working or no longer need access, it's a smart move to delete that FTP account, just to keep things tidy and secure. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. How to delete an FTP user account from cPanel in a few simple steps. And by the way, if you're hosting your site with YouStable, things are even smoother. Their cPanel is super beginner friendly, everything loads fast, and their support actually helpful, even at 2 a.m. All right, let's get into it. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the Files section and click the FTP Accounts. Now, scroll down to the FTP Accounts section. Here locate the FTP account, which you wish to delete. Then click on the Delete option, given in the same row of that particular FTP account. Do not use the Delete the user's home directory option. Otherwise, the data inside your FTP user account will also be deleted. It will be unrecoverable until you restore it with a backup. Now, click the Delete button to confirm it. The selected FTP account has been removed from the list. Thank you for watching.